Say hello, Lucy. So I'm going to be hands for this video, and I need to move this massive makeup collection into a different space because I need my desk for something. So grab a snack, this is going to be a long one and a relaxing one. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this, and I can make more content about my makeup collection if you want to see it. Also, sorry about how messy it is right now. I thought there's no point in cleaning it and making it look better if I'm just going to move it. So here I have some chunky Alex drawers, the teal ones because I don't want the white ones, and I have a bunch of containers to hopefully help organize everything, but I think first I'm gonna see how many of my makeup towers I can actually fit on the top, and then we'll go by what actually needs to go in the drawer. I would like to have some considerable amount of space up here because it is my bedside table, rather than just being my makeup thing, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I could include these two towers on top of it, but still we're looking a little bit cluttered up here, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this thing but we'll just see what I end up doing down here. Thinking for this straw I might do foundations maybe? Oh, you cannot see that at all. Maybe just laying foundations down for now. We'll see how that looks, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I think this drawer will be dedicated to base products. So I've got my foundations, setting spray, primer slash things I mix with my foundation, and some powders down here, some concealer, and then an unopened foundation there. And then I might do maybe face products down here. So I accidentally put the piece of wood the wrong way, and I can't really change it, so yeah. We're just gonna put random shit down here that I don't usually use, but it'll be there, so like lashes and coloured mascaras and things of that nature. Okay, so here's what I've come up with so far. This little guy, which I keep most of my currently using products in. Got the brushes here. Behind we've got some of the palettes that I currently have in rotation. Some face products in here. Well, nothing in that one actually. And some little palettes here, some more face products up here. Lipsticks, and most of my lip products here. And then we have the mirrors over there. First one is base products, and then a few palettes that are in my current collection, that are in my current rotation, as well as lip products. Yeah, I don't know if these are going to stay here. I mean, none of this is really permanent. It's just me relocating. And in this drawer we have colored face products. I have more my face palettes here, all splayed out, and then all of the single ones here. And down here I have eye products, and also a few glitters over there. Down here I have lip products. This one looks very, very sparse. Might as well chuck these in here. In here I have palettes that aren't in my rotation. And down here are all the things that I don't frequently use, so things like coloured mascara, eyelashes, jewels, and yeah, just random things down there. But yeah, I think that's what my makeup collection is going to look like from now on, so that's exciting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is Miss Lucy to say goodbye. If you want to see more makeup collection related videos, I'd be happy to do them. If you want one more dedicated to my eyeshadow palettes, I'd love to do that because I have a lot. Alright, say goodbye, Lucy. Fear, fear, fear. Subscribe.